In a time long ago, Canada stood as the epitome of dreams, a place where aspirations turned into reality. However, as in many tales, dreams can take unexpected turns. Such in the case with Canada. Step into a nation where challenges abound at every turn, from legalized substances to streets plagued by crime, and perhaps the most unsettling, exorbitant prices on everyday essentials. However, a looming concern has everyone on edge: the housing crisis. In Canada, the prospect of owning a home is a financial nightmare. Either homes are scarce, or when they are available, they come with a staggering price tag, often reaching 4 times the average annual income. In Toronto, standalone homes hit $3,111,667, a staggering 11% rise. Upscale areas like Rosedale and Moore Park soared 4.3%, reaching $4.3 million. Vancouver sees a $1 million price tag, a 2% increase. Ontario, expected to be more affordable, climbed 16%, landing at $479K. Why the concern? Canadians face a challenge affording homes, with blame placed on immigrants. Yet, a more pressing issue looms: the housing bubble. Canada's housing market is a soaring roller coaster, prices surging 33% in a year, far exceeding global trends. The real question: how much longer until the bubble bursts? Trouble is brewing in Canada as citizens swimming in staggering $2.2 trillion mortgage debt face a grim reality. With the mortgage debt exceeding the entire country's GDP at 150%, experts warn of a housing bubble on the brink of bursting. Analysts, including Philip Colmer, go as far as calling it potentially the biggest housing bubble ever. The easy money lending policies of the central bank over the past 2 decades could make the burst especially loud and messy, spelling trouble for a large populace of interest as rate rises. Imagine a house bubble like a balloon inflating until it suddenly pops. In the housing market, it's when home prices soar and then crash, causing chaos for everyone involved. Canada finds itself in a situation reminiscent of the 2008 financial crisis in the US, where reckless borrowing led to the economic meltdown. The fallout, triggered by Lehman Brothers' insolvency, resulted in a market bloodbath, impacting global economy players like Citibank and Washington Mutual, with far-reaching consequences worldwide. In Canada, a parallel to the 2008 crisis is emerging as heavy foreign investment, particularly from China, inflates the housing market in cities like Vancouver and Ontario. The fear looms of a potential collapse in a major Canadian bank, setting off a domino effect of financial chaos. As people scramble to withdraw their funds, the once sky-high housing market could plummet, leaving homeowners underwater on their mortgages and potentially triggering a wave of job losses and homelessness. The aftershocks could spell disaster for Canada's economy, introducing a period of unprecedented uncertainty.